What's up, bros? So today I have 3 new LEGO Ninjago Season 15 Seabound customs to show you, bros, because the first Season 15 customs video I did got over 9,000 views, so thanks for checking out that video, and let's begin. So for the first custom, we have Season 15 Zane. So if you don't want spoilers, please click off right now or just skip a few seconds. So basically in the season, Zane explained that he doesn't need a breathing underwater diver suit because, I mean, he can live underwater. I mean, he's a robot, he's an android, he doesn't need to breathe underwater. But he just said that he liked how his diver suit looked, so yeah, that explains why he has one in the season. Now the legs are from Hero Zane. The torso is from an original Star Wars Snowtrooper. The hands are actually from Killer Frost. The head is just an original titanium Zane head, as you can see here, with a white biker's helmet and with this underwater diving goggle visor piece. One thing that I also added for Zane is this underwater blaster, as you can see here, because I don't think Zane can use his powers underwater, so this would be really cool. So you can basically use this to shoot out ice beams underwater. To build this, all we have to do is take one of these blaster pieces, attach one of these, and then we're just gonna attach some of these blue studs, and I'm also going to attach this piece, I don't know why, and yeah, the underwater ice blaster is complete. You can add some ice chimo pieces, and it looks like Zane is shooting ice underwater. Pretty cool. I also made this underwater jetpack for Zane as, you know, just an extra inclusion, and it turned out pretty good, so we're just gonna attach that to Zane's back, and it looks like he has this underwater jetpack. This is pretty cool. Now there's gonna be a speed build at the end of the video if you bros wanna build this yourself, so yeah, that's about it for Zane. Next up we have Prince Kalmaar. Now this custom is not that accurate, as there aren't really good pieces that can be used to build a custom Kalmaar, but the legs are actually from Hades, or Hades, I think that's what he's called, and this is actually the same piece that will be used for the official Prince Kalmaar minifigure. In the leaked pictures, it was basically this piece, but in purple, I think. Now the torso is from Zerg, except the arms are just some normal purple arms from this Killer Moth minifigure I own. The armor is from Monkey King. The head and this piece right here are both from a Nexonite's Stone Gargoyle. So we're just gonna attach that right there, and yeah, there we have our purest custom Prince Kalmaar. Now, his staff piece thing is just really simple to build, as you can see here. Just takes 4 parts. Now this is a lightsaber handle hilt piece that I had to cut in half. I didn't need to, but it was from an older custom, so I didn't cut it up specifically for this custom. But yeah, I think this turned out pretty good. It's not that accurate to Prince Kalmaar from the TV show, but it gets the job done, and that's what matters. Now for the last custom, we have a custom Season 15 Nia. Now this is super inaccurate to Nia's diver suit from the TV show or the cartoon, but I mean, I just wanted to make something more unique, so that's why it's not really accurate. The legs are from a Death Trooper from Star Wars Rogue One. The torso is from Robin from Nexonites, except reversed. The arms are actually from Killer Frost with some normal black hands. This breathing diver piece is from Benny from the Lego Movie 2. The head is just a normal Nia head that you can just get at about every set that comes with Nia. And we have this firefighter breathing piece, attach that right there. And I added this silver straw hat, which is from the Spinjitzu Burst deployed. Attach that right there, and you can just use that to switch her head to whatever facial expression you need. And yeah, this custom turned out pretty good. I'm probably gonna get hated on in the comments for this custom being super inaccurate and for me being original, but yeah, I don't give a damn. Let's just add some water power blasts, and yeah, this custom turned out pretty good. Now let's get into the speed build of this bad boy. And these are all the pieces that you're gonna need to build this underwater jetpack for Zane. If you want, you can just pause the video to see and grab the pieces from your Lego box if you want to build this yourself. So I hope you bros enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments below which of these is your favorite, and also tell me how you feel about Season 15, because I would love to hear your opinion. And check out my other videos, especially my mock videos and my Lego Ninjago Fig Barf series for more customs. Have a great day. See you bros.